What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you 12 high income jobs that does not include being a doctor or a lawyer. Now I know I is subjective, so I'll be using a net income of $250,000 per month as I know some may say it's low, some may say it's too high, but I believe that's a good starting point to say that's an high income. So before I get into that though, I will be giving away $6,000, $5,000 towards investing, and then I'll be giving $1,000 phone credit. So make sure you stick around to learn more. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into this. So number one, nail tech or manicurist. So these guys are responsible for making the ladies look nice, and every month and they say, boy, I have to treat myself, so they always do their nails and all of those manicure and pedicure. So that's an high income job that you can earn more than $250,000 per month. And number two on the list is hairdressers. After do your hair, you have to do your nails. The beauty industry is a high income industry. You just have to find your way to capitalize on it. So hairdressers make a good amount of money. What do they do with it after? It all comes down to financial literacy. And coming in at number three, we have makeup artists. I hope these don't surprise you, guys. How much does it cost to do your makeup again? And can somebody also tell me why does it cost more to do the same face just for a regular occasion versus doing it for a wedding? So being a makeup artist is another way you can earn high income. And remember, I'm just using $250 as a base. The earning potential on these fields are pretty much kind of unlimited to an extent. So being a makeup artist, you can earn good money. As a matter of fact, as long as you become good at whatever you do, you can increase your income. So number four, we have business intelligence analysts or data analysts. So these guys are responsible for turning raw data into something meaningful. So they create dashboards, reports, and then these reports are used to make business decisions for the organization. Coming at number five, we have business analysts. Sounds similar to number one, right? Well, it's actually different. These guys are responsible for analyzing and evaluating current business processes within a company and identify areas where there is need for improvement to make the business more efficient and more profitable. So for example, the business intelligence analyst will provide a report to the BA. The BA seeing that we're losing business money in this section of the business. Now, how can I refine this process to make it more profitable for the company? So moving on to number six. We have accountant, right? So an accountant is a very important role in an organization, whether it be small or large. They are the financial backbone of the company. They are responsible for creating financial reports, generating financial statements. Bear in mind that I'm just giving you like a fraction of what these roles involve. These roles can be a monster sometime. So coming at number seven, we have plant engineers. So these guys are responsible for ensuring like manufacturing plants are up and running. So they are responsible for troubleshooting, resolving problems. If there is need for installation of new equipment, they are the guys who are responsible for these things. So to become a plant engineer, you need like a degree in civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineer, or any of those related fields. Coming in at number eight, we have sales representatives. So these guys are pretty much responsible for selling companies' goods, services, and products to customer and represent their brand. So most of the time, these roles are commission based, and you can earn a lot of money in sales. Kind of sounds like affiliate marketing to an extent, right? But the difference with affiliate marketing is that you're not employed to the company. You find the product and promote it yourself. So your income is still dependent on how much sales you make. So these guys are responsible for developing applications, maintaining them. So for example, a website, a mobile app, these are the guys who are behind the scene for those with the fancy mobile apps and website that you are using all the time. So just like how you have a physical security that prevents unauthorized entry to a building, you also have what is called like a digital security that prevents unauthorized access to like an organization like the bank and those places. These are the guys behind the scene who are constantly fighting off these virtual attacks from hackers. So These guys get a decent salary also. Now if you have made it far, it's time for the giveaway. Well, throughout this video I've left a question and then I leave an answer in the video as well. Now what you need to do is just leave a feedback on this video, place the answer to the question as well, and share the video with your friends and ask them to like it so you can get the most likes. So the person with the most likes will definitely be the winner of the $5,000 towards your investment portfolio. So the second winner of $1,000 card credit will be selected at random. I'll be using like a Wheel of Fortune app to choose that winner, and I'll be announcing the winners 2 weeks time from now. So don't forget to share this video and ask your friends or family to like your comment. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.